from the car, dude. Go. Get away from the car.
I'm fine.
Get away from the car.
What am I,
Get away from the car.
Committing a crime?
Get away from the car.
Get away from the car.
Am I committing a crime?
You don't need to be videotaping the car. Get away from the car.
I can videotape. It's public.
Get away from the car. I'm asking you to do that right now.
Okay,
Just go.
I just respectfully decline. Just checking out the car.
Respectfully move from the car.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Don't worry. Calm down.
It's
Calm
a crime.
down.
Go away.
What's a crime?
You cannot
Filming in public?
photograph our computers.
We have computers.
Anything the eyes can see, I
Nope,
can videotape.
you cannot.
You can walk
It's
right
time
now.
That's
to
how
go.
that goes.
This is a crime scene.
Don't touch me.
Then-
Don't touch
then
me.
leave.
Away.
I have committed no crime.
Then leave. We're asking you,
You have
to
no
leave. This
authority
is a crime scene.
unless I've committed a
You're in a crime scene.
Tape it
so
off.
Exit. We don't have to.
Where's the tape?
It's
Dude, why
detained
do you
by
gotta be
us.
like that, man?
A tense confrontation in Portland as an auditor is blocked by Officer Cavalier Singer from filming at a public scene and threatened with detention despite the absence of crime scene tape. The officer's physical contact and refusal to provide her badge number mark a significant breach of professional conduct. Does law enforcement have the right to override free speech and public oversight? Let's analyze the contrasting behavior between this office hostility and the professionalism shown by her colleagues. Follow ID Refusal 101 to better understand your rights. Special thanks to the original creator for this valuable footage, and we encourage everyone to follow the original channel for more audit content. Welcome to ID Refusal 101. We're here to arm you with legal knowledge to protect yourself. Subscribe now to know your rights and how to assert them. And now, enjoy the video.
Can we help you?
No, I'm good.
You're good, Jack?
Yeah.
Get away from the car, dude. Go. Get away from the car.
I'm fine.
Get away from the car.
What
Get away from the car.
Committing a crime?
Get away from the car.
Get away from the car.
Am I committing a crime?
You don't need to be videotaping the car. Get away from the car.
I can videotape. It's public.
Get away from the car. I'm asking you to do that right now.
Okay,
Just go.
I just respectfully decline. Just checking out the car.
Respectfully move from the car.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Don't worry.
Go
Calm
away.
down.
It's
Calm
a crime.
down.
Go away.
What's
a crime?
You
Filming
cannot
in public?
photograph our computers.
We have computers.
Anything the eyes can see, I
Nope,
can videotape.
you cannot.
You can walk
It's
right
time
now.
That's
to
how
go.
that goes.
This is a crime scene.
Don't touch me.
Then-
Don't touch
then
me.
leave.
Away.
I have committed no crime.
Then leave. We're asking
You
you,
have
to
no
leave. This is
authority
a crime scene.
unless I've committed a
You're in a crime scene.
Tape it
so
off.
Exit. We don't have to.
Where's the tape?
It's
Dude, why
detained
do you
by
gotta be
us.
like that, man? We're just
I'm
asking you
why do
nicely
you gotta be like
step
that?
away.
I'm doing nothing wrong. I have
We're
committed no
asking you to
crime.
leave. You're in a crime scene. Would you like to be detained?
Would you like to put up some tape?
No, I don't
So the
have
public
to.
know? Here, I'll be on the sidewalk, which is public.
Then go.
I know that is
Get
a
out
private.
of the crime scene.
Where's the tape?
My God.
Put up tape.
No, I don't have to.
I mean, you do if you want me to not stand where I please. I can stand where I please in public. It's a sidewalk.
We're just asking not to
This is a
videotape the
medical
inside of a car.
emergency.
Why do you have to be so difficult and be so hostile? I'm not
Because
doing
we asked
anything
you to move
wrong.
away from the car.
And I
you
respectfully
didn't.
decline. That's what an ask is. When you ask, you
We
can
did.
expect a
It's time to
no
go.
You can-
or a
We can
yes.
play the dick game all you want. That's fine.
That's very rude and unprofessional.
I don't care.
What's
Just
your
like you,
name and
so
badge
take a
number?
walk. Don't have to give it
Name
to
and
you.
badge number?
Don't
Not
have
part
to
of your
give-
policy of the Portland
Nope.
Police?
because You're not. This is not part of your thing.
So you're in your official duties?
I am.
And your name and badge number?
Don't have to give that to you, sir. Time
Don't
to go.
have to give it.
You don't. You are being recorded.
All right. I would like to submit a public records request.
Go ahead. You have to call records.
No, I can do it in person. I can do it in
Not with
person
me.
verbally. You are a public employee. You have to take it or you break the law.
When Officer Cavalier Singer ordered the recorder to move away from the patrol car, she met a firm refusal rooted in First Amendment rights. Under U.S. law, anything visible to the eye in a public space can be recorded, including police equipment. The officer's claim of a crime scene without established police tape is a weak legal tactic used to intimidate. Cavalier Singer's physical contact with the recorder could be classified as police misconduct, as there was no reasonable suspicion of a crime to justify physical contact or detention under the Fourth Amendment. The height of unprofessionalism occurred when she refused to provide her name and badge number while on duty. The recorder executed a perfect ID refusal and immediately pivoted to a verbal public records request. In this encounter, the police were legally incorrect by escalating the situation instead of respecting public oversight. For an effective ID refusal, you must remain calm, assert your standing in a public forum, and demand officer identification to hold them accountable for their actions.
Hey, you are quite professional.
If you don't mind, if you can just wait over there, I'm sure somebody's gonna come want to talk to you if you want to talk to us. We're just trying to make sure.
I was really just kind of checking stuff out. You know, like when I came up, I was like, hey, what's going on? And I really appreciate you
get it.
like being
I
like, oh,
understand.
guy got hit. Yeah, dude, it's terrible. I mean, what they just did was like totally unprofessional and really rude.
Well, yeah, if you
And they won't even give me
there,
their names. Can I have your name and badge
Sure.
number?
Right there. Guevara, G-U-E-V-A-R-A 63452.
Thank you. Very
Right.
professional.
If you want to just
should
wait over
learn
there,
from this guy.
just wait for us over there, all right? And then we
Okay.
can get to you.
Well, can you give me your name and badge number,
Sure.
please?
Hauser, right there, I believe.
Uh-huh.
63215.
And what's that officer's
You
name?
can ask her.
Okay, can I
numbers.
submit
don't
a
know
public
numbers.
records request to an employee right now?
You can.
Verbally? I would like her name, badge number,
I don't
I
know
don't
her
know
date of
badge-
hire,
I don't know
her
her
badge
salary.
number.
You
Her
don't-
name is on her.
Well,
her
I'm
badge.
submitting a public request to you,
I
and
don't
it's
have her badge
we
number.
don't-
I
we
can't
as
don't
say
a
have that
something
as
I
a
don't
public
know.
employee, you
Okay.
have to take the request, and then you go submit it to where you need to,
We can
and then
play
you get
this
it back
game
to
all you
me.
want. I don't know her badge
I'm not
number.
playing
I
a
can't
game.
give
I'm
you.
talking about my rights and the law.
And you asked my badge number. You asked his badge number.
Yeah.
We provided that. I
Very
don't
nice
have
and
her number.
cordial.
You wanna
Yeah,
wait
she
over
wouldn't give
there?
it to me, so
You
now
wanna wait
I'm
over
submitting
there?
a public records
Okay,
request
you wanna wait over
verbally.
there?
If you don't take it, that's breaking the law.
You can wait over there.
Do you want me to make up a number? Because I don't know her badge number.
Well, I'm submitting a public records request right
You
now
want
to
me to
a
make up
public
a number? I
employee
don't know her
on
badge number.
you're on duty as a public employee. You
Yeah.
have to take
I
a
don't
public
have that
records request.
information. What, I can't,
I'm
you're
not
gonna make up a
asking for it
number.
right now. I'm
You
giving a
just
public
did.
records request.
Okay.
So you have,
And
I think,
I've asked-
5
we
or 10
asked you
business days to
kindly
get it to
step
me
away
by
from the
law.
car and not videotape the
Yeah, you kindly
important
asked. I
information.
kindly declined.
The arrival of Officer Guevara marked a clear contrast in professional conduct. Instead of choosing hostility, Guevara remained calm and provided his identification 63,452 upon request. However, a legal conflict arose when the recorder maintained his ID refusal stance and pivoted to a verbal public records request for the absent female officer details. Under the law, public employees on duty are obligated to accept such requests or properly facilitate the citizen right to oversight. The refusal by Officer Guevara and Officer 63,215 to provide Cavalli Singer's information, claiming ignorance, is a common form of internal shielding within police misconduct. The recorder was legally correct in asserting that as public employees, they must accept the request and process it according to transparency statutes. In an ID refusal context, if officers refuse to take a public records request on site, they are failing their duty to the public. The best course of action is to document this refusal as evidence for a formal complaint regarding administrative noncompliance.
And she touched me, which is assault, because I didn't do anything wrong. I
I'm being able
broke.
to give you a number that I don't know, so I'm not able to give that number to you. I gave you my number. That's what I know.
Yeah, that's why I'm submitting a public records request formally at the moment to public employees. I would like the following information. Her
We
name.
can't give you that. We
You-
don't have it.
No, but you submit
So,
the public records
we don't-
request,
we don't
and
submit
then
stuff
they
like
get
that.
that back. You have to as a public employee.
If you want
That's
to
the
wait
law.
over there,
That's the law. I would not break the law if I were you. It's not a big deal. This is not like a pissing match. Like,
I
we can just
provided
be
you my
professional.
information,
And
that's the information I
thank you
know.
for that.
Yeah, you're
And thank you for not touching me like she did.
Okay, yeah, you bet.
Because I don't like to be touched.
Well, I don't like
Unless.
people videotaping the information we have on our computer screens.
But
either,
there's nothing you can do about it
do
except close your computer. That's the thing you can do.
that. I can't.
You have to create the privacy, because like anything in public that I can see, I can videotape.
I'm glad
That's the law.
I'm glad I give you some content.
I hope you do better next time. You're doing good, kind of pulling back and being a little better, but that last comment was pretty rude.
I just asked you to step away from the car, right?
And I said no.
Okay. And I kept
What?
telling
How
you-
egregious
I
is
kept
that?
telling you to step away.
Isn't it egregious to just say no?
You said no. I said step away.
Well, maybe I can ask you. Give me $50.
Yeah,
Give me
okay,
give me
okay.
$50.
The confrontation shifts to core legal issues regarding privacy and physical contact as the recorder accuses the female officer of assault for touching him without legal justification. In this instance, the police action overstepped boundaries since the recorder posed no threat or obstruction, violating the Fourth Amendment protection against unreasonable seizure and interference. Regarding the police complaint about filming duty computer screens, it is legally baseless. Under First Amendment case law, anything exposed to public view in a public forum has no expectation of privacy. The recorder sharpens the argument by stating that the burden of securing sensitive information lies with the officers. If they desire privacy, they must close their laptops or shield them. The ID refusal strategy here evolves beyond withholding identity into a steadfast defense of public oversight against arbitrary demands. When facing pressure from Officer Guevara to step away from the patrol car, the recorder effectively illustrates that a police request is not a lawful order by comparing it to asking for $50. They can ask, but he has the absolute right to say no. The correct course of action is to maintain filming and refuse to comply with legally unenforceable orders designed to curtail public recording rights.
This is the Portland Police for you. That one guy was cool. He was able to hold his shit together, but those other two, I'm not so sure about the other two. The supervisor was just here. I wonder if this is him here.
How goes it?
Pretty good.
Questions, anything I can help you with?
Yeah, that lady's name and badge number.
The officer over there?
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, I can get a card for you that has her name and badge number on it.
that would be great.
Yep.
Yeah.
Anything else I can answer questions about what's going on, or?
No, the one officer was really great, and he was just like, "Oh, guy got hit," and I was like, "Oh man, that's terrible."
Yeah. Sounds like you got.
This guy's kind of touch and go, but she actually touched me, which is technically assault. I didn't do anything to break the law, and I don't like to be touched if I'm not breaking the law. So
It's understandable.
once I get a name and badge number, I'll probably submit a complaint.
Okay. Just for your information, I guess, just so somebody maybe doesn't pick at you and make fun of it. It's not technically assault. Assault, you have to have some kind of protracted injury of some sort. It'd be more like harassment would probably what you look for.
Okay.
So
Oh, that's good to know. I like
just
that.
letting you know.
Yeah, state to state's
I know
different.
States
Yeah.
have like battery, for example. We don't have that. It's not a thing here.
Uh-huh.
You know, other things have like brandishing, like fire. We don't have that. It's called menacing. So it's just different term labels.
Okay.
So just I like to let people know what to, you know. That way somebody's like, oh, you don't know what you're talking
Yeah.
about. You know.
Hey, thanks for that.
Yeah.
I really appreciate that,
It's
man.
your right to know
Yeah.
what, you know, you're talking about. So
Uh-huh.
let me get you what you need.
She's out of here.
Oh, I can get it for you.
Go to the hospital.
Oh, she'll go to the hospital.
Okay.
I'll get it for you. 1 second.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate the professionalism.
You're good, right? You got Emmy's taken care of? Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
We'll be out here in 2 seconds.
I wasn't trying to get in a grudge match, but
No, I hear you. I hear you. So you did.
yeah, I gotta say, like, you know, I really appreciate good cops. It's a hard job, and I think just some aren't as well trained to interact with the public under the circumstances of an event like this, and that's part of what I'm out here for, is just to like see how they're doing, try and help them along, really. But yeah, thanks again for that correction on what statute that might be.
Yeah, basically harassment's like any kind of unwanted physical contact. Somebody comes up, they push you, they poke you, whatever. It's like where you're not injured, but it's you didn't want the contact, right?
Right.
Harassment can also it's kind of, I don't want to say redundant, but there's different levels, like harassment at physical level, harassment of like somebody's like pestering you or texting you over and over
Like
again.
yelling at you.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So there's like a verbal harassment, so to speak, like it's more called telephonic harassment. But there's a bunch of sub caveats basically on like certain things can qualify into this broader term of harassment.
Uh-huh.
But then the assaults here, I don't know how long you've been in Oregon. Assault 1, 2, and 3 just vary based on either the weapon or method used, say gun, knife, fist, and
Right.
then the level of injury you sustain. So
Okay.
that those both have to be like you have to rise to a certain level to move it up one.
Awesome.
Certain levels.
I feel like I just got a little mini law school lesson. I really appreciate
No,
it, man.
I mean-
this is great because I'm a learner. I like to learn.
No, I hear you.
And
I mean, you live here. You at least should be able to know, what the laws are. And
right, I'm just a few blocks from here, and I'm like, oh, what's happened to my neighborhood?
I hear you. Did you move here recently, or you've been here a while?
I've been in Oregon since like 08.
Okay.
But I've been
here in Portland though. Or let me, because you say you live like in this area recently?
yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, I've been in the Portland area kind of on and off since like 2012.
So you should probably
but
see
mostly
the shift of how it's been different times. So.
Yeah. Portland's gone through some real highs and lows.
Yeah. So I think we're on the upward trend, hopefully.
I think so too.
But
yeah.
craziness happens at all hours and times, right?
Yeah. I mean,
just be careful out here.
Yeah.
It can get a little wild.
Yeah. Well, and for better or worse, there was only up to go from 2020.
I mean, you're not wrong.
Yeah.
You can't go much lower than that, hopefully. So this is me, and then on the
Okay.
back, that's her last name, Cavalli Singer, and it's 59104.
Okay, man, I just really super
Of
appreciate
course,
it.
no problem. Hey, you have a good day, my friend.
You too, buddy. Bye-bye. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how a good cop, that guy right there, I'm definitely getting a accommodation, but not the officer who just touched me for no reason and threatened to detain or arrest me. Oh my God, isn't that crazy? How quickly? Don't look at her purse. Don't look at my laptop. Brr.
The arrival of the senior supervisor provided a professional contrast to Officer Kabelaisinger's initial hostility. Instead of shielding police misconduct, he calmly listened, provided a business card, and clarified the legal distinction between assault and harassment under Oregon statutes. Identifying the officer as badge 59.4 is a critical step for citizens exercising their right to file complaints against unlawful threats of detention. The recorder demonstrated superior ID refusal skills by not only defending his right to film in public, but also turning the interaction into a real-world legal lesson. Legally, when a citizen maintains an ID refusal stance in a non-criminal encounter, law enforcement must respect that liberty rather than resorting to intimidation. The recorder was correct to praise professional conduct while remaining firm on holding Kabelaissinger accountable for her physical overreach. For the ID refusal community, this highlights a vital tactic. Always request a supervisor when your rights are being violated. Transparency is achieved only when citizens know the law and refuse to yield to arbitrary demands from unprofessional officials. In this encounter, we witnessed two extremes within the Portland Police Bureau. The recorder earns an A for his profound understanding of the First Amendment and his firm yet polite ID refusal skills. Conversely, Officer Kabelaissinger receives an F for her unauthorized physical contact and baseless threats of detention. Officer Guevara and the supervisor earn a B+ for their professionalism and respect for public records laws. The core legal principles at play include the right to film in public, the mandatory disclosure of badge numbers, and the right to maintain an ID refusal when no reasonable suspicion exists. To protect yourself, always maintain a safe distance, demand officer identification, and keep recording to document any potential police misconduct. Thank you for watching this ID refusal analysis. Please follow the ID Refusal 101 channel to stay informed on your civil rights and support the original creator by following their channel for more essential auditing footage. How would you react if faced with similar intimidation in a public space like the recorder in this video? Knowing your rights isn't being difficult, it's being prepared. If this video helped you understand your legal rights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below, tell us your story, ask a question, or suggest the next encounter we should break down. This is ID Refusal 101, where we teach the basics of your right. Thanks for watching and see you next time.